Well, this is pretty much the most exciting day ever. But to understand why, we're gonna have to rewind a little bit. About a week ago, Sam was shopping online for his brand new copy of Snowshoes Built from Scratch at chapters.ca when his buddy Mike called just in time to let him know about Bargain Moose coupons. Bargain Moose what? What's a Bargain Moose? Let us explain. You see, there are thousands of coupons available online for retailers all over Canada. All Sam needed to do was ask. Introducing bargainmoose.ca, Canada's premier online resource for product coupons from Canada's finest retailers. Saving money with Bargain Moose is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Kinda like making your own snowshoes, only much more simple. First, surf on over to bargainmoose.ca. The process is very simple, and you won't even need an account. Then, search for the store you'd like to shop at. You'll be shown any and all available coupons for the retailer of your choice, as well as any associated retailers that we think you might be interested in. When you find a coupon you'd like to redeem, simply click it, copy it, and you're ready to save. Once at the checkout page of the site you want to shop at, enter the code, and voila, you're saving money. While you're at it, check out our awesome blog content from our team of world-class authors. Gold Star. BargainMoose.ca offers coupon deals from hundreds of Canada's premier retailers, with new coupons added every day. So what are you waiting for? Visit bargainmoose.ca and save.